To measure forearm supination range of motion using a goniometer, the patient is seated with the shoulder completely adducted. The elbow is flexed to 90 degrees and the forearm is in neutral rotation. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the styloid process of the ulna. The stationary arm is aligned parallel to the anterior midline of the humerus, and the moving arm is aligned along the volar surface of the wrist at the level of the ulnar styloid process.
Ms. Reese, I'm going to measure how much you can move your forearm using this device. When I ask you to, I want you to move your forearm palm up this way and hold it there. Now move your palm up, hold it there,